Hello YouTube, how you doing? It is Thomas here, back in the house. Anyway, this video is going to be about strange sounds of what I can make. Now, these strange sounds may be a bit weird, but there are 3 strange sounds that I can make. I will count. Okay, here was my first strange sound, which is my Chipmunk Verse.
Hello, YouTube. How you doing? It is me, Thomas. How's you guys doing today? I started doing YouTube on November 2nd. Now, I am doing YouTube now. Wow. So, the problem is, Thomas, is people gonna laugh at me when people hear my voice? You made me drop my camera.
No, it didn't. The camera just fell down.
You made me do it.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes. Can't you see? The camera dropped. I was trying to do it, and I was trying to make. I am right in the middle of making a video, but then you drop it. Why did you do that?
I didn't drop it. The camera just basically fell down by itself.
Oh. I'm sorry. You wanna go out for pizza?
Yes, that'll be awesome.
Well, let's do it.
Alright. That was my Chipmunk Verse. That's right. You're hearing my regular voice and my Chipmunk Verse. Now, here is my second strange sound. That almost sounds like a high-pitched siren, which is really strange and really weird. Now, here's my last strange sound of this video. So sorry about that, guys. I apologize for what I did. I am so sorry. I did not mean to burp. I did not mean to get. I am so sorry. I humbly apologize for what I did. I am so sorry. Now, those are the strange sounds that I did. Let me know in the comments section what was your favorite sound. Is it this sound?
Hello, how's it going? I'm a chipmunk.
Or this sound? The high-pitched siren, or anyway, let me know in the comment section which one is your favorite. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Those are the strange sounds, and I will see you next time. Peace.